you just tell me a little bit about rights of nature?
Sure. In the United States and other countries, we tend to see nature as a thing to be used, like rivers to dump stuff into or forests to cut down. And a lot of this work is about transforming that idea of nature being a thing to nature being something with rights. So just like slaves didn't have rights in the 1840s, women didn't have rights in the 1860s, that this work is about essentially transforming something that is considered a thing into being a rights-bearing entity to protect it better.
And what did you do in Ecuador?
Ecuador became the first country in 2008 to ratify a national constitution that contained rights of nature language in it. And that was a result of several trips that we made down to Ecuador to talk with the Constitutional Convention, members of the Constitutional Convention, to explain to them why the current system that we have, which treats nature as a thing, isn't really working to protect the environment, and why they needed to adopt a different kind of structure. And then we assisted them to draft that language and also to help them adopt it in Ecuador.
Just one more question. So what would rights of nature do to protect the environment?
Well, right now, to protect the environment under our environmental laws, you basically have to own nature. You have to own a piece of property to be able to protect that property. And what rights of nature does is frees that up to allow anyone to protect nature. You don't have to own it, that piece of property, or treat nature as property to be able to protect it. And in addition, once some damage has been done to the natural environment, it allows us to get money damages to actually restore or bring that river or forest back to where it was prior to being damaged.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you for having us.